Hi everyone, thanks for coming in and checking out the video. I'm going to show off some items that have sold on eBay in recent days here at my store. I'm going to start off with a couple of print ads, and this first one just sold last night as I record the video on Wednesday morning. It's from 1928 Maxwell House Coffee, a picnic scene with some people laying on the grass having a picnic. 1920s, from hundreds of coffees, a few were chosen and mingled. Maxwell House, good to the last drop. Good money on this one too, $22 plus shipping. All right, next up are a couple of automobile ads. This first one is from 1962, the Ford Falcon, and the big item here is that it has Peanuts Charlie Brown. There's a close-up of the image. There's a blow-up of the comic, a football classic scene with Charlie Brown and Linus right there. 20 bucks on this one plus shipping. And then back to 1923 for what is now a 100-year-old print ad. Sold for $18.74 with my 25% off sale. This ad came from an issue of Good Housekeeping magazine. It's just a Chevy utility coupe. Nice one there. I love the car ads. All right, here's one I'm just showing off for the sake of proudly finally selling one of these things. I bought a huge lot of Shackman products probably a year and a half, maybe even 2 years ago at this point. They've been selling extremely slowly, but when they sell for a really nice profit. This one's $17. It's just a one sheet of it's embossed cutouts. Cute little character there, Bertram Bushytail. Sort of like a postcard. It's a modern day. It's from 92. Suspenders, reading the newspaper, all that good stuff. Finally sold that one, 17 bucks plus shipping. Over to a roller skating rink from the 50s, a place called The Hub in Chicago. I might have shown this off on a previous What's Sold. I apologize if I did, but another one sold. I think I had 4 or 5 of them. 20 bucks on this one, brand new old stock, as they say. You can see the glue is still on the back. It's never been used. You dip it in water and it sticks. Fantastic condition from the 50s. These things can be collectible to a lot of folks. This one has sat in my store like most Ephemera does for a period of time, but glad to see it go, 20 bucks. Over to a postcard from 1964-65, World's Fair, Pepsi Cola and Walt Disney. UNICEF card. Nice looking one, sold for 15 bucks. A couple of CDs that have sold. I just want to show everybody after I did that video of my little 100 CD haul. This one, Janis Joplin, Big Brother Holding Company. Legendary album, sold for 10 bucks. Nice one here, $1 into it, and plus I get $3.50 for shipping via media mail. And here's another CD. This was actually part of my own collection. It wasn't part of the haul. California Sounds of the 60s. Took a best offer of $8.99, so $1 off of my $10 listing, plus the shipping. California Sounds of the 60s. Of course, you have Love and Spoonful, Beach Boys, Mamas and Papas. Kind of all the whole West Coast thing. Obviously with the Golden Gate Bridge. There's the track list. Had this one for a while, bought it when it came out, and just sold it now for 8 bucks. I'm going to round out this quick video with a couple of 78s. I often talk about 78 records. They sell for great profit. I picked these up for about $1 a piece. This one's from 1944, Tommy Dorsey and his orchestra. Whispering, backed with Two in Love, and both of them are foxtrots. 20 bucks plus shipping on this one. And then we're going to round it out with another 78 here, Bill Dodgett, Honky Tonk Part 1, sold for, I took a best offer of $16.99 on this one, plus I got my media mail shipping, on a label called King Records. It's an instrumental track, Honky Tonk. You probably heard of it. If you haven't, check out the video linked above, and you can listen to the song for yourself. Thanks very much for coming in. Just a quick video. Want to keep the videos out there and showing everybody some of the cool stuff that I've been selling. If you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider doing so. I'd love to have you aboard. Do live shows Mondays and Fridays most of the time, except for right now when I'm doing this crazy concert schedule. I hope to see you live on one of those shows, and in the meantime, you have a great day, and thanks again for viewing. Bye-bye.